We will tell you the 14 best ways to make additional income besides your primary job and become rich. Having various income streams will help you generate more money and become rich quickly. Watch this video till the end because the last two passive earning sources are my favorite and will amaze you too. Now let's start. Number 1. Offering online tutoring services. If you believe that being a tutor requires a flawless academic record, you may need to reconsider. Online tutoring companies such as Tutor.com, TutorMe, and StudyPool employ tutors who specialize in various subjects, allowing you to benefit from their expertise without the need to be an expert in everything. Exercise caution when selecting a tutoring opportunity. It seems that certain individuals on these on-demand tutoring sites are primarily seeking assistance in completing their essays or homework assignments, which can be seen as a form of academic dishonesty. Exercise caution when reviewing the job listings. Number 2. Consider becoming a user experience tester. Every business strives for a website that provides valuable information, achieves its objectives, and, of course, generates revenue. When something isn't working, businesses often seek the expertise of user experience testers to understand the reasons behind it and gather valuable feedback. Can you accurately assess the user-friendliness of a website with just a quick scan of the web page? You can earn money by providing feedback to companies such as User Testing or Try My UI. Many of them claim that you can earn $10 for a test and up to $120 for live conversations. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing earning opportunities. Number 3. Consider participating in surveys. Consider exploring survey sites such as MyPoints or Survey Junkie, where you can earn money by participating in surveys and sharing your opinions. Seems like an attractive opportunity, doesn't it? Keep in mind that these sites have specific criteria they consider when selecting individuals. Not every survey you come across will be a perfect fit for you. In addition, a specific number of surveys must be completed before you are able to redeem your points for cash. It's important to note that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, the additional money can accumulate gradually over time. If you have a patient and persistent mindset, it may be worth giving it a try. Number 4. Earn cash back from apps. There are numerous mobile apps available that can guide you on ways to earn additional income through simple tasks. I'm talking incredibly simple here, just as easy as grabbing your phone and scanning your receipt. Explore mobile apps such as Ibotta, Rakuten, Shopkick, Receipt Hog, and Dash to effortlessly earn some additional cash. Number 5. Offer English language instruction. It's similar to taking the tutoring path, but instead of teaching English independently, you can join a reputable company like VIP Kid Online using your mobile phone. Now, if the idea of teaching makes you a little nervous thinking that there are stacks and compares of grading and paperwork coming your way, don't worry. They will take care of all the lesson objectives and grading on your behalf. However, a 4-year degree in any field and at least 2 years of experience in teaching, tutoring, or coaching are required. If you meet the requirements, this opportunity is mutually beneficial. Number 6. Monetize your creative talents and start earning. If you have creative skills and haven't found the right opportunity to showcase your work, why not consider freelancing in your spare time on Fiverr? The platform links freelancers who excel in writing, editing, graphic design, and voiceover work with clients who require their creative expertise. You will create a profile that potential employers can scan to review your experience, rates, and specialties. It's similar to a cross between an online portfolio and a resume. Prepare yourself to earn additional income by unleashing your creative potential. Number 7. Consider providing your expertise as a virtual assistant. If you possess strong organizational skills, thrive on challenging tasks, and desire the flexibility of working from home in your free time, the role of a virtual assistant could be an ideal fit for you. Additionally, who wouldn't appreciate some diversity in their daily tasks? And you have the opportunity to assist business owners in achieving a more harmonious equilibrium between their professional and personal lives. Consider exploring websites such as Upwork and Zirtual to discover potential opportunities in this particular field. Number 8. Become a person of influence. If you have a significant number of followers on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, or possibly your YouTube channel, you might want to explore the possibility of becoming an influencer. Then you have the opportunity to earn money from your posts. With expertise in various industries, you can position yourself as a trusted source for businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Simply reach out to brands you adore and express your interest in collaborating. If you're interested in exploring affiliate marketing and sponsored content, you might want to consider checking out ShareASale and Amazon Associates as well. Number 9. Become a social media manager. Alright, what if you enjoy social media but prefer not to showcase your own face? You have the ability to assist other companies in enhancing their social media presence. Many companies utilize these platforms for free marketing and to maintain a strong connection with their customers or potential customers, as well as to cultivate a loyal following. However, smaller companies may find it challenging to keep up with all of that. That's where your expertise comes into play. If you possess a natural flair for creativity, enjoy building connections with others, and possess a deep understanding of various social media platforms, this opportunity may be perfectly suited to you. Number 10. Earn money from your photographs. Are your camera rolls filled with stunning sunsets and artfully arranged lattes? You have the potential to earn additional income for those. With FOP, you can earn up to $10 for a photo and even more for certain missions. However, keep in mind that they will take a 50% cut from your sale. It's important to note that there is no guarantee of photo sales. Even if you only sell a few, it's a simple way to earn extra income by capturing photos of your everyday moments. Number 11. Consider driving for Uber or Lyft. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money, consider becoming a driver for Uber or Lyft. You have the freedom to determine your own driving hours and schedule, allowing you to be in control of how much or how little you drive. Additionally, you have the added benefit of meeting new individuals and engaging in captivating discussions throughout the journey. Certainly, your earnings are influenced by factors such as your geographical location and the frequency of your passenger trips. If you have some spare time on a Saturday, you could consider using it to explore your city and earn money as a driver. Number 12. Consider becoming a food delivery driver. If you enjoy driving and prefer minimal conversation, consider exploring opportunities in food delivery with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, or Postmates. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn some additional income during your leisure hours, all while enjoying audiobooks or catching up on your favorite podcast. Number 13. Consider participating in a focus group. Enjoy expressing your thoughts? Why not earn a profit from it? See if there are any local focus groups available in your area or online. There are opportunities to earn cash by participating in taste tests or trying out various products. It's important to ensure that you meet the criteria they're seeking before submitting your application. Number 14. Provide grocery delivery services. If you enjoy the excitement of shopping without using your own funds, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Shipped offers a unique opportunity to earn money by shopping for and delivering groceries to clients. According to Shipped, their shoppers can earn up to $22 per hour. That's $22 an hour you'll receive for shopping. Instacart is a fantastic option to consider. Apart from all these side gigs, you could also earn a passive source of money without doing literally any work, and that is by investing your money. You could get 10% of your invested funds annually if you invest in proper assets. To know the best assets where you should invest your money, subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the left side. This video will really help you a lot, so you must watch it.